Hey everyone, welcome back to Megaverse Builds. Today we are back at Spotify Camp Nou with massive progress across the stadium. And the lead diamond on the lateral is now completely covered in rebar across every floor panel. Let's get straight into it. Before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future Camp Nou updates. We're starting at the lateral, where the lead diamond is looking closer to its next concrete pour with every passing day. Every single floor panel on the upper section now has rebar running across it, with no bare panels left visible from any angle. Crews are packed in up top today, with a full team working across multiple sections simultaneously despite the intense heat. The middle diamond is also making a strong push upward, with floor panels now installed vertically along one side, and shoring beams beginning to fill in on the other. This diamond is still a step behind its bigger sibling, but the pace here has been strong enough that the gap is narrowing week by week. The smallest diamond is the most active. It's looked in a while too, with chipping work continuing and rebar being placed around pillar armatures as the team preps this structure for its next pour phase. Anchor bolt work continues in the lower section nearby, with crews fitting missing bolts and measuring spacing with guide rails ahead of louver installation in this stretch. Sandwich panel coverage is also expanding here, with more panels going up on the left section of one diamond's upper face using the suction lifter tool, bringing it in line with the right section that was covered previously. Now to the second biggest update at North Goal. A new flange box has been installed, and while it's noticeably smaller than the boxes placed further back, it slots perfectly into its position between the existing ring segment and the upcoming pillar. That pillar's false work was placed yesterday and is now clearly visible, confirming the next lift is being staged. A truck also arrived at this section today carrying what appears to be louvers, which would make sense given that multiple elevated platforms have been working through final anchor bolt checks and tightening in this stretch all day. The diamond wall visible from North Goal continues advancing, with rebar work ongoing across the top sections as crews maintain a consistent daily presence in that area. Over at South Goal, new false work has been installed since yesterday, marking the exact position where the next pillar will go. No new flange box has been placed yet, with the pillar and radial beams still needing to go in first. Several box sections of different sizes are staged on the ground nearby, and once the pillar lands, the next push could happen quickly. Painting and finishing work continues in this section too, with louver bracket supports and nearby structural beams receiving coats of anti-corrosion paint. A few anchor bolts still need fitting in this stretch, but the section is clearly approaching readiness for louvers. At Tribuna, the standout detail is a fully prepped pillar, now staged with its yellow connector plates already attached, making it ready to be lifted whenever the tower crane here picks up its first compression ring segment. That transition from North Goal's crane to Tribuna's is getting very close. A concrete pump is also present, but idle, while multiple elevated platforms continue moving through finishing work across the structure. Inside the Tribuna interior, sandwich panel installation is ongoing with crews handling one panel at a time, with one gap remaining in the upper section of one mobility core. So, to wrap up, the lateral's lead diamond hitting full rebar coverage across its floor panels, and the North Goal louver section gearing up for what looks like an imminent installation push were today's biggest stories. South Goal's false work placement confirms the next ring push is coming, and Tribuna's first ever ring pillar is prepped and waiting. If you enjoyed today's update, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Camp Nou construction coverage. There is still so much to come at this stadium. Thank you for watching, and as always, Visca el Barça!